Good morning, everyone. I'm pleased to be here to introduce myself in front of all of you. My name is Lily. I'm 12 years old. I'm a primary school student. I'm friendly and outgoing and always get along well with others. I pretty like eating fruit. I think eating more fruit is beneficial to our health. It's noting that I'm good at doing sports, particularly playing football, because I think it's interesting and makes me happy. What's more, it can build character and develop our community spirit. I really like a sentence that is, nothing is difficult if you put your heart into it. It always inspires me to make efforts to do everything and never give up easily. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your listening.